Are you looking to add more janitorial and commercial cleaning accounts? There is thousands and even tens of thousands of businesses in your market. But which ones are the best ones for your company goals and service mix? And what do they search for in Google? How will they find your business? Welcome to Account-Based Marketing. Feel free to examine our website and use our free resources to help grow your cleaning service. The challenge with selling commercial cleaning and janitorial accounts is getting in front of managers, executives, and business owners before they go out for a formal bidding process. By the time they commit to seeking bids, 5 or 7 competitors are going to be invited. This makes our job a lot harder and much more price competitive. We want to do a walkthrough and submit a proposal before the competition shows up. At this stage, we come off as a consultant, asking questions and providing solutions. This is our website design and SEO strategy to build content specifically for the prospects your cleaning business is targeting. So when they go search something in Google, you show up.